Two more. We have a little fella from up at, I forgot. I know it's not East St. Louis, Missouri, or Illinois. It's up next to St. Louis anyway. Well, last year he got on the stage with us and played a little fiddle tune, so we're gonna get him up here again and see if he's improved it. Him and John's gonna fiddle one called Back Up and Push. John said he wasn't gonna play with him, he was just gonna. Yeah? You wanna tell him what you done? You wanna tell him what you just done? Wait a minute, I gotta introduce you. This is Deven Mahali. Now tell him what you done. Tell him what you done.
I entered a fiddle contest and I won first place.
Are you ready? Is that C chord or D chord?
C.
C chord. All right, jump on. Since we're just going to do 2 shows this weekend, I'm going to do a back-to-back gospel. Will that be all right? Our first one's going to be in G. It's going to call the Palms of Victory is the first one.